welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a wrapping tutorial in a while, and I got a couple requests to do the tutorial for this scarf that I was wearing a couple days ago. It's kind of a combination of a crisscross on top, fan on the side. It was something I was doing as I was quickly getting ready for work, but I think I figured out how to do it. So we're going to start with our scarf just like this. I don't tie a knot in the back, I just crisscross the tails, but your lengths, one side is going to be a little bit longer than the other side. So we're going to take this long side first. And wrap it over just like this. Take your shorter tail and wrap it through the back. And you're going to end up with a side knot just like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, and now you're going to take the tails and you're going to flip. So your short tail will be on the top, your long tail will be down at the bottom. And then you're going to take this part and kind of play around with it so this shorter end up here will be kind of tucked inside. Then you can go ahead and wrap it over the top. Let's hide that tag. And just like that, you can kind of play around with it there to make the crisscross. If you need to, you can take this right here, pull it forward a little bit more, and then you can take this part and tuck it back. This is going to be part of your crisscross look. So once that is all tucked away nice and neat, it doesn't have to be too neat because it's going to be hidden anyway, you are going to take your long tail and you're going to flip it back over itself just like this. This is where you're going to get that side knot look, and you can kind of, I guess, I don't know, disperse the scarf so it kind of covers a little bit more, so you can see more of the rainbow. And it's going to crisscross over the whole upper section right there. And then you're going to find this whole band of scarf right through here, all the way through, and just pull that tail until it comes out the front. And you can adjust a little bit more. Make sure everything looks good. You can adjust. And if you need to, you can retuck the smaller tail because it can come out of place when you're digging your hand through trying to find that band of scarf. All right. I think everything is tucked in. It's kind of a messy scarf, but it's cute. You get a nice rainbow look. And there you go. So that is basically how I did that. I'll show you the side. other side. And here's the top. And you can always play around with it. You can add more stuff, you can take stuff out. I kind of took the combination of doing a crisscross and the fan wrap and like the waterfall wrap as well, and just kind of combined it all together, and this is what I ended up with. This side knot look is one I've been doing for quite a while because it's easy and it's quick and it looks cute. So yeah, that is it. I will link you to where to get the scarf if you would like to know. All right, and that is it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you soon. Bye.